Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hard candy fruit without corn syrup. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and your favorite fruit flavoring. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a candy thermometer, and a silicone mat or greased parchment paper. Having everything ready before you start is key to success. Now, let's start cooking. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium-high heat and stir constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer, ensuring it does not touch the bottom of the pan. This initial step is crucial for a smooth candy base. Continue to boil the sugar syrup without stirring. Watch your candy thermometer closely. The syrup needs to reach precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 149 degrees Celsius. This specific temperature is known as the hard crack stage, and it is absolutely essential for your candy to harden properly. As soon as it hits 300 degrees, remove the pan from the heat. Now for the fun part. Carefully and quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of your desired fruit flavoring and a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant look. Work fast, as the candy will begin to set. Immediately pour the hot mixture onto a silicone mat or greased parchment paper. Let it cool completely, which can take about 30 to 60 minutes, then break it into delightful, bite-sized pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.